Okay, the Catalina 164 BHX. Man, this thing is packed for $16,997. You just can't beat what you get in this little camper here. And we're gonna take a look at it. So right up front, we're gonna put a propane tank there full for you. We're gonna put a brand new battery on there. And it has a battery kill switch right down there. So you can shut off your power when need be. 6-gallon DSI water heater. There's a spot right there to put water in. It's got a good sized water tank. There's your dump station right there. It's got your stabilizing brackets in the back. You got a set cable satellite hookup, your 30 amp power hookup. It even has a black tank flush. Most of them in this price range aren't going to have a black tank flush. Your freshwater city hookup is right there. You even got a little leash latch for the puppy. And you see right here, it comes with the JBL audio system and the color changing LED lights, which is right under that power awning. And you can see the speaker right there. It's marine grade speaker. And going on the inside, you see it's got the JBL audio, and then it has this when the power's on, that'll all light up when you walk in. It's got a sensor, so anytime you come near it. So there's the power for the awning, and then it's got all your tanks, and you can see right here Bluetooth, so you can put the app on your phone and run all that stuff off your phone. It's got a nice little sink there, a 2-burner stove, some storage below. It's got your little 110 fridge, more storage above, your thermostat right there for the heat, air conditioner's right above me, and then there's the bunk beds. There's even storage under the bunks, and it comes with this cool little storage container. And also all the Coachmans have this little metal case. You can hear that, so it's lockable, so if you have any valuables to put in there. Foot flush toilet. It's got a mirror in there with some power, the vent, and then it's got your shower in here. So then turning around the other way, you can see it has the sofa, and that even has a little cup holder in it. It'll turn into, that'll flip-flop into a bed if need be. And then you have your full-size bed right there. Actually, it might be an RV queen. Yeah, it's an RV queen, so which means it's just 4 inches shorter than a regular queen bed, but it's just as wide. And you have some more storage above there, your speakers on the inside, your air conditioner, some storage above. So, and it even has a little storage spot under here for you. USB ports over there, USB ports over here. It is just packed with a lot of little goodies. And I'll tell you, this is what they call this camper the Coleman Killer, because the Coleman camper is similar, but it doesn't have the couch. This has plywood tongue and groove flooring, where the Coleman has OSB flooring, and tongue and groove plywood is going to hold up a lot better, and it takes nails better. Or sorry, screws, not nails. Theirs is stapled together. These cabinets are actually screwed together. If just like the big ones right back here, I don't know if you could see it, I'll try, but this is screwed cabinetry like you have at your house, not stapled together. So good strong cabinetry. And then they also have, like I said, the water tank is big. It's 44-gallon fresh water tank. It's got the black tank flush, like I said, a 10-foot awning, and it's got the 13.5 air conditioner, not a little 8 cubic that would be sitting on the side mount instead. This is a roof mount. So the friction hinge door, you can see right here on the door. So you could put the cheap door on there that slams shut when the wind hits it, but these guys are doing the friction door. So lots of goodies on here. Makes it a much better value. So that's where they come up with that. This has got the teddy bear soft bunks. They're actually pretty firm too. They're not cheap, like they're gonna fall apart and you sink right through it. So come on in and check it out. I'll tell you, you're not gonna find a better camper for $16,900 on the market. You got 1 window, 2 windows, 3 windows, 4 all working windows. Got a spot right here. You got hookups for a TV. You can put a TV right on the wall right there. All right, come check it out. Thank you.